Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L4150 printer driver. So use to any browser, uh, Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, any which is you have. After that you can see this is the first Epson official website epsonscore.in. Just click on it and please download this only from their site. Scroll down and this is driver, extract printer driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will search, open new tab. After that agree and then click to download again. You can see this is 7731. This is size, file size, this is file name, okay, and this is the version. Now you can see the Windows 11, 10, 8, 7, XP also support this. So as per now this is completed. Then just single click to open. After that click yes for the administrator rights to install. Okay. Then click to OK. I agree. OK. After that you can see there are three options to install. First, network connected automatically, and second, manual, and third, USB. So if you connect the LAN cable to your printer and connect to Wi-Fi, so click to search and just click to OK. After that click to next, so it will scan like that. Okay, and if you know about your IP address, so you just enter the printer IP and then next. So if you want to connect the USB, so on your printer and connect your printer to desktop or laptop via printer USB cable. After that click to next. It will scan and detect, and then next to install, and then restart, and please check it. Thank you. If you're getting some issues, so please comment me, I will support you.